Today I'm showing you how to factory reset your Galaxy S8, and this would also work on the S8 Plus. Now first you have to make sure that the phone is powered off. Then you press these three buttons: power, volume up, and the side button. Press and hold all three buttons until the power comes on, and then release the power button. Continue holding the two buttons. When you see the screen, release all buttons. This whole process will take you less than 2 minutes to complete. When you see this screen, it's okay. Give it another 15 seconds, possibly less. In some cases, a little bit more. When you see the screen, locate the wipe data factory reset using the volume down to select, power to confirm. Yes, confirm. And this is how you factory reset your Galaxy S8. And also it would work for the S8 Plus, same way. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day.